Learn English to Gujarati Education Vocabulary, Education 2.
अद्यतन तालीम.
Welcome to your learning adventure. Hey, you are in the right place if you want useful Gujarati words without falling asleep into your dictionary. Today we explore school life, work life, and the glorious moment when a student finally stops saying, "I have homework." Our mission is simple. You will learn 8 key words in Gujarati. They are education, study, training, school, graduation, internship, scholarship, and advanced training. In Gujarati, they are
शिक्षण, अभ्यास, तालीम, शाळा, अभ्यास समाप्ति, इंटर्नशिप, स्टाइपेंडियम,
and.
अद्यतन तालीम.
Yes, that is a powerful set of words. You now sound one step closer to becoming the most impressive person at the tea table. A very serious student, obviously. Let's meet our hero, a student who is serious about learning, at least on weekdays. Follow the story and listen for the Gujarati words. Ravi believed in
शिक्षण,
because education opens doors. He also knew that
अभ्यास,
was important, even when his pillow whispered, "Come back, brave warrior." Every morning he went to
शाळा,
where he tried to look intelligent even when he had forgotten his notebook. One day, his teacher said, "Good.
शिक्षण,
Gives you a strong future." Ravi nodded wisely, although he was mostly thinking about snacks. Still, he did his
अभ्यास,
survived,
शाळा,
and dreamed of bigger things. Word spotlight. Now you get the words one by one, nice and clear. Imagine them like little vocabulary superheroes wearing tiny capes. Education is
शिक्षण,
example. Education opens many doors in life. In Gujarati,
शिक्षण,
opens many doors in life. Study is
अभ्यास,
example. My study is important for my future. In Gujarati, the key word is
अभ्यास,
training is
तालीम,
good.
तालीम,
Improves your skills. School is
शाळा,
the children walk to
शाळा,
every morning. Graduation is
अभ्यास समाप्ति,
after.
अभ्यास समाप्ति,
Many students look for work. Internship is
इंटर्नशिप,
an.
इंटर्नशिप,
Gives real work experience. Scholarship is
स्टाइपेंडियम,
a.
स्टाइपेंडियम,
Helps pay for study. Advanced training is
अद्यतन तालीम, अद्यतन तालीम,
helps professionals improve their skills. Mini dialogue at school and beyond. Let's make the words move. Here comes a short dialogue with ambition, confusion, and probably too much tea. Teacher, Ravi, why do you come to
शाळा,
every day? Ravi, for
शिक्षण,
and because my mother says I have to. Teacher, and what do you do at home? Ravi, I do.
अभ्यास,
Sometimes, when my phone battery dies. Coach, after school, you need
तालीम,
for practical skills. Ravi, great. Can I get practical skills for waking up early? Manager, we offer an
इंटर्नशिप,
Ravi, wonderful. I would like experience before I accidentally become the boss. Advisor, you may also apply for a
स्टाइपेंडियम,
Ravi, amazing. My wallet just smiled for the first time. Manager, later, you can join.
अद्यतन तालीम,
Ravi, so first I learn, then I work, then I learn more? Manager, exactly. Adult life is just premium homework. Family, congratulations on your
अभ्यास समाप्ति,
Ravi, thank you. I am proud, emotional, and slightly confused about taxes. Memory tricks that actually stick. Here is where we make your memory do the heavy lifting. You relax and pretend this is all very elegant. Picture a glowing blackboard with
शिक्षण,
written on it. That is education. Think, education is a ladder and
शिक्षण,
helps you climb higher. Imagine your desk full of books under the word.
अभ्यास,
That is study. Your tea, your lamp, your notebook, all signs of.
अभ्यास,
See a practical classroom with tools and manuals labeled.
तालीम,
That is training. Picture a bright building with children and bells. That is
शाळा,
school. Now imagine a cap, a diploma, and proud family photos. That is
अभ्यास समाप्ति,
graduation. See yourself entering an office with a badge saying.
इंटर्नशिप,
That is internship. Imagine opening a letter full of confetti and money-saving joy. That is
स्टाइपेंडियम,
scholarship. Finally, picture a modern seminar room with professionals learning advanced skills. That is
अद्यतन तालीम,
advanced training. Quick drill. Your turn. I say the English, you try the Gujarati. If your answer is wrong, just blame the invisible classroom ghost and continue. Education.
शिक्षण,
Study.
अभ्यास,
Training.
तालीम,
School.
शाळा,
Graduation.
अभ्यास समाप्ति,
Internship.
इंटर्नशिप,
Scholarship.
स्टाइपेंडियम,
Advanced training.
अद्यतन तालीम,
Tiny quiz, big glory. Let's test your brain politely. No stress. This is a friendly quiz, not a surprise exam hiding behind a curtain. What is the Gujarati word for education?
शिक्षण,
What is the Gujarati word for study?
अभ्यास,
What is the Gujarati word for training?
तालीम,
What is the Gujarati word for school?
शाळा,
What is the Gujarati word for graduation?
अभ्यास समाप्ति,
What is the Gujarati word for internship?
इंटर्नशिप,
What is the Gujarati word for scholarship?
स्टाइपेंडियम,
What is the Gujarati phrase for advanced training?
अद्यतन तालीम,
Friendly conclusion. You made it. That means your brain has officially done better work than a student pretending to study while watching cat videos. Today you learned education words in English and Gujarati.
शिक्षण, अभ्यास, तालीम, शाळा, अभ्यास समाप्ति, इंटर्नशिप, स्टाइपेंडियम,
And
अद्यतन तालीम.
thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing, repeat the words out loud, and come back again soon. Your Gujarati is growing, and that is something to be proud of. Well done, superstar.